Hey folks, Zach here. Welcome back to the Murray Homestead, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to remove two safeties on the John Deere X570. We're going to break it up into two videos because people may or may not want to do both of them, but they'll both be really quick. All right, the first one I did on this lawnmower is the seat safety switch. So when this thing is in normal operation mode, if you get off of the machine and it's running and not in park, it'll kill itself, as in like turn the engine off. And if you're in a mowing operation, and so the engine's running, you're moving, and the PTO is engaged, so you're mowing, and you lift your butt up off that seat, it's gonna kill the lawnmower, or the mowing process. I found that really annoying because if I'm going around the yard and I just want to hop off real quick and pick up a piece of trash before I run over it, I don't have that option without completely, basically putting the machine in park, stopping mowing, putting the machine in park, and continuing to go. So I'll show you all how I removed it, and it is crazy easy. So if my wife can come up in here a little bit, all you're going to do is lift the seat. Excuse me. You have this little switch here on the bottom, and a wire loom that goes to the connector that would look like that, right? So all you're going to do is remove that connector, just pull it out. Actually, it goes like this, sorry. You're going to pull that connector out, boop, and you're going to cut it. I purposely left about a little over an inch of a pigtail in case, if and when I sell this machine, I want to reinstall this feature, and I always hang on to these. And then all you're going to do is simply strip the two ends of the wire that are left over, put them with a butt connector in between. That's it. Problem solved. And what I did with my machine is I went ahead and shoved this little pigtail back down in here, and that's it. Now, when you're mowing, I'll show you. I can't show you it turning itself off, but I can show you how it would normally, how I can do it. All right, parking brake off, lawnmower and seat stays on. Lawnmower on, mowing. Okay. All right, so that's the end of the video. If you like this type of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the stupid bell. Now that that's out the way, I will throw in why you might not want to do this. Technically, the machine can and will roll if you're not, if you're on a hill and you did not engage the brake. So you definitely only want to hop off in when you're in a flat spot. And then two, depending on how high your mower deck is, you can, in some like final destination type scenario, get your foot up under there while the mower blades are going. So John Deere put the safety in for a reason. I decided I did not like it at all because it was more of a pain in the butt for me. So thank y'all for stopping by. That's it.